Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stockpivots pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market sites. Today, market is taking a gap upside. It's bullish on the CPI data. If you see the number right here, we closed at 624, right here, 624.81. Right now, the price is trading at 627. There is a lot of upside still. The market is bullish. It will continue to be bullish. Right here, when we have discussed in last week that supply is weakening. This supply, and here we got the one candle, and again we have a push, and this is what I was looking at. So weakening supply means this will weaker, weak, and there will be one more push, and that's what we were looking at. And right, this is what we see on the chart. 627.19 is above. Almost the supply has ended, like finished. So what we are looking at, we are looking for more upside. Probably 639.93, which was tweeted back in April itself. That's where the next market sell-off will happen. So most likely 639.93 we will see for 10 to 12% drop in the market from 639. Okay. However, still the next bottom is around first target 575, second price target 575 is the SR interchange right here. If we fail to hold this, straight into 554. So when the market will dump, it will dump very hard now. Why it will dump? Same reason. This supply will strengthen moving forward. It will come combined, like things which is weakening, it will combine and dump. That's how it works. Demand and supply concept. All right. So S&P 500 bullish, 639.93 in sight. 554, 575 are the downside price target to load for the next bull rally. Moving forward to Tempest, all our trade in triple short, we are in profit. We'll continue holding this trade. Okay, we are not closing anything around until 74, 75 area. At least for this fractal, that's the first price target we are looking at, 670 area. So until 70, we'll not go close any trade on Tempest. We are even profit. We'll continue holding all our trade. Even if we close for profit, right away we'll initiate the another trade. So sometimes people get confused that, oh, if I'm holding the trade for $70, why I'm closing it now? Because when the price move, we need to move with the price to collect the higher premium from the short position. Okay, so that's why what happens, let's say here we open a position and the triple short and we are in like $500 in profit. So we close that $500, take the another strike price for the same date or the next date as we move forward. So we can keep collecting the higher premium. That's why we close the trade even before our price target is hit. But that does not mean that we are out of the trade on the stock. We continue taking new trade in a direction of the price action. Okay, moving forward to Tesla. Tesla is bullish. This is what we were looking at. We are in a symmetrical triangle. The price is heading upward right here into 339 area, which is also been a resistance for last couple of times right here. And this is very stubborn resistance, 339. When we had this breakout, it was also dancing at 639 right here. You see that multiple times right in the 339 right here, this area, head and shoulder pattern. This area was at 339. This area was at 339. Again, this was at 339 area. This was 339 area. So there's multiple time frame when the stock goes to 339 and either convert into SR interchange or reject or shoot up. So that's the area that we are watching now, 339. After we cross 339, we will head straight into 414 area. If we get the rejection from 339, we'll be back on the trend line around $300. So earning is coming. Most likely this time I'm bullish on the earning. Okay, there is a most likely they will have an announcement of the new product, the supercar Roadster, in the earning call, which is Elon Musk had just tweeted yesterday that he's just out of the design studio and production will start in quarter 3. So that will be a big pump in the stock market, like when some positive news confirmation or something like this happen. So most likely this earning, we are bullish on the company, even if they missed the number. Delivery number were bad, so revenue automatically is bad. But look at this one, the delivery, this drop is already being factored here. So delivery number came here right here when we exit our position at 355.58. After that, this drop, and I was bearish. That was the reason that delivery number were bad. We knew it; they'll miss the number around 18 to 20% quarter on quarter. So this has already been factored in, the delivery number and the revenue and the bad earning. So now a bullish sentiment right here. Continue pushing 339. 339 will be the make or breakout point. All right, so let's move forward. RIVN, this is the stock you want to accumulate and keep accumulating. You will not find this price later. So right now we are in the short put side of the position. We are not buying the share, but any further drop into this area right here, 1185, anything below 12, we are a buyer of share. Okay, right now we have not invested any money in this one. We are keep shorting puts, because when you short the put, you have extra premium and your break even is in further down. So we are keeping a breakdown around $11. That's our target. Our average price should stay close to $11, and that's where we'll buy the share, and then we ride the share and the short put both upside. Okay, so right now it's a perfect point to short the put, and around 11 it's good to buy the stock around 11, anywhere from this area. Once the price goes outside of linear regressions, right in this area, this is the area where you buy the share from 1165, 1185, 1115, 20, wherever you see the bullish divergence like this one hammer candle price spin and the first green candle, right where you buy the share. Right now you see the red candle. Okay, this is not where you buy the share. So wait for the price spinning candle or dodgy candle or a bullish confirmation, basically. Okay, it doesn't matter which candle will come, but there has to be a bullish confirmation. Like here it was bullish engulfing right here. So this is most likely to throw the people off the train. This sell-off, which there has been no reason for this sell-off. Okay, so right here, low point, needed volume area right here in this area. If you see that there is a gap here, right here. Okay, so what will happen? There is a 90% chance the stock will shoot up right from here. If it won't, it will mark the low one more time and then shoot up. So we are almost close to the bottom area. All right, so short the put in this area, buy the share in this area. Do not buy the share right now. Okay, moving forward, let's go to NVIDIA. What's going on NVIDIA? All right, NVIDIA is in price discovery range. So when the stock reaches the all-time high, then there is it's very difficult to find that where it will stop. Okay, so right now what I have looked at on the wave, we are looking at 177.10. This is where we are looking for the price to cool off, because now we are going for all-time high. 172.28 is all-time high, and we are looking further up like 177.10 area. There's a possibility, the worst case, it can also shoot up into 210. Okay, but right now I'm looking for 177 and then a small pullback before any further upside. Okay, so 177 and then pullback. All right, moving forward to MSTR, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy, we were looking for 470.89 right when the price was trading right here at 254, 260 area, and we have almost hit the price targets. So right here we were looking at 470, so we are very close. 454, there is a more upside left. Price will not sell up. This is what we are looking at, the down of this sell side order block right here, this order block right here. Last time there were 26 million shares sold right in this area. So right at the bottom of this order block, like mitigate this order block, touch it, and then sell off. So this is what we are looking at right now, 470.58 or maximum 475, and then there will be a correction. Okay, we are bullish on this stock. As long as Bitcoin keep rising, this train is not going to stop. Okay, we do not have a position in MSTR, but we have in MST.X. So we have a very volatile position. First, Bitcoin is volatile. Then MSTR is 3 times more volatile than the Bitcoin because it's pegged 0.79, but trading at peg 3. And then we are trading MST.X, which is 2x more volatile than the MSTR. Okay, so that's how it works to make some big dollar. You know, you need a volatility in the market. All right, moving forward, ISRG. This is what is interesting setup. We are looking for the drop on the earning. We have an earning right here, okay, which is coming on 22nd of July, another 7 days. We are looking for this downside to complete. If we complete this downside, the price comes to 490 area before the earning. It's a very important thing. You need to know how we will enter the earning. That's what matters. Even if the earning is good or bad, it doesn't matter. Okay. So if this continues selling and goes to 498 to 490 area, and then the earning comes, price will shoot up. Even if the earning is bad, price will still shoot up. If it start a recovery right here and goes towards 533, and then even if earning is good, they will sell the news, they will dump it. Okay, because price should not be at upward trend line into earning. If it's on the downtrend line, it will shoot up. It's on upper trend line, it will sell. It's very important where the price is when the market is into earning. If it's the good earning already factored in, price will go and sit at the upward trend line at the resistance and will form the death cross on the MACD. And that's the indication you see that how the market will react. Market does not go up when it's already up, like up and then shoot up on the earning. That's not how chart works. Okay, so if the market is right here 491, you will see a sharp jump in the earning in ISIG. Moving forward to another stock, which is LULU, has been on the discount right now. So good stock to add in your TFSA IRA account and all this on the retirement account. This is not your trading account because it will go very slow. It will recover, but it will go slow. It's a slow moving stock. So it might take, it's like you need to hold this kind of stuff for 3 to 6 months to enjoy the entire trend upside. So we are looking for this fractal right here, the previous high around 346 to exit. We keep accumulating this stock. Any further drop you buy, but you buy bit by bit. This is not the stock that you go hit and hit the all-time like all in. You continue buying. Let's say you buy here 100 shares, then you buy another 100 shares around 200 area. It's like that. So every 10%, follow the rule of the 10%. If you buy 100 shares now, next 100 shares should be purchased at for 10% down, and then another 10% down. Let's say after next 10%, you have 200 shares, and then it start recovering. Okay, that's fine. You don't need to have a 300 share, and you enjoy the $200 run upside. So whenever it start returning, right now we are selling off. We have a little bit of more downside left here. Okay, so why there is a little bit of downside? We are looking for a negative death cross on the MACD. Negative death cross means death cross when it happens below the zero line. It's a bearish sign. RSI is almost getting close to the oversold, still going down. Also, there is a little bit of gap left if you look at between the band and the price, right in this area, 211 right in this area. So 211 right now trading at 230. So there is another 20% downside. Sorry, $20 downside. Okay, so this is where is the perfect buy. Every time you look at the price, when it touches the band, right away it bounces. So probably it's right here, 211 area is good to buy another 100 share, and then it will bounce. Okay, moving forward to HIMS. All our short put on the HIMS are in profit again. So it's bouncing off. Closed at 52, right now trading at 53. All short positions are in profit. We'll continue holding this all the way to 64 area. We are not going to exit. We will just keep adjusting. Every time our short put goes into profit, we are triple short here. So every time, again, a very similar trade to the Tempest AI on HIMS. Every time our trade goes to profit, we close the trade, initiate the new trade, but we are not out of trade unless the price goes to 64. We'll keep trading continuously. We are selling the put under the 45 days, 50 days. So means the theta is taking over them quickly. If you are like 4 or 5 line in short, everywhere 5 to 10 theta every single day, $2. So that's why we are trading for 19 September on Tempest and 19 September on HIMS. Let the theta kill the put premium, and we enjoy that premium for nothing. Okay, without a $0 investment, let it come to us. So 64 area on the HIMS that will be closing our trade. All right, moving forward to AMD, very interesting. This is the only stock we have been stuck in last 1 year. Okay, when we bought it at 165 and it went to bloody 76 area, we were holding. We knew it what we are holding. We tried to average out. We tried to sell the covered call where possible. Like we were every 100 share we were selling 2 call, 3 call, like 2x, 3x. So we knew it will come back and right where we are. So we are very close to our exit plan. So first price target we are looking at here is 156. Second price target we are looking for 172. 172 will be out of AMD, and after that we'll not be trading this. Right now we have a clear breakout of the trend line. This red line which is coming from the higher point to the lower high, this one. And if you look at this one, there was a breakout. This is what we were looking at. So breakout, retest the trend line and shoot up again. So this is what a positive sign here, and we are already at 153.90. We are almost at break even, the entire group. This was the only stock in last 1 year that we were stuck with. Okay, and finally we are out. After that, we won't be trading this. Okay, we don't need to trade. It's very slow. We don't. And the option premium was very low too, and that was more painful. If you have a stock like Tesla, you are happy to hold your position even for years because you keep selling options in both sides. You sell the put, you sell the call, and you keep collecting premium, and from the profit you keep buying more share. But stock like AMD, there was no option premium. Is like 10 cent, 5 cent, and there was a lot of gap between the price and the our strike price, our average price. So that's why we're not able to sell a lot of options. But when we started recovery right in this area, 130 area, 116 area, we started and we did good. So we'll be out of this position. All right, moving forward, let's jump to Bitcoin. All right here, Bitcoin pre-market in yesterday morning, I covered that all these people, those who are buying all-time high, will be penalized by the market. And this is how markets penalize when you are buying a greed index. Look at this one, where we are. Extreme greed, zero fundamental, zero technical analysis, zero knowledge, mostly immature trader on Robinhood, and all these small companies like Webull, like Wealthsimple in Canada, Trades This and Trade 2, these kind of, where the new trader comes to the market with $200, $500 in the account, 5,000, 10,000, doesn't matter. The capital doesn't matter, but they are immature. They are new trader. They don't understand the market. They keep buying. What they look at, if I would have bought it here, I would have made this much. That's how they look at the market. Okay, they don't look at that. Okay, if this is where the market is, the market will come back. Okay, and this will happen. Market will teach a lot of people in this area a lesson, hard lesson. Okay, and anyone who was buying yesterday around 123 area, most likely they already took the already out in the loss yesterday itself, because it went to 116. No one will hold a $6,000 drop in one single day. I mean, the fear kicks in. Oh my God, why did I open the position? Let's cut it out. I'll buy it again cheaper. So most probably, almost, and that's why the price dropped so fast. If you watched last night when we were trading on the crypto side last night, so right where the price was dropping very fast, and that was the reason the people were taking loss. They were trying to exit. That they realized that, it's an all-time high, we made a mistake, and they started dumping at a small loss, and boom, right here. All right, moving forward to ADA, Cardona. We have been trading this one. Okay, so we'll continue trading this one because we are at quite a high price. Our entry was 0.51. We took an exit around 0.68. After that, we have been trading back to back on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so we're not looking to buy a big position right here. We are waiting for 5.69 right in this area right here. So there is a correction we needed, a pullback we needed right here, and it will come. Look at the linear regression. Look at the pivot point, where the pivot of the center point of the stock right now of crypto. So 62, 65 is coming sooner or later. And if you look at here, overbought, death cross, fading volume above the zero line. So decline has already started. Moving forward to ICP, Internet Computer, we are in profit in our position. We'll hold this one. We are not holding all cryptos. Ondo, we have closed for profit. And ADA, we have closed for profit, but we are holding a lot of other cryptos, and we'll continue holding them. So we are holding ICP is one of them, which we are holding despite a solid profit in the position. Our break even is 493 right now, trading at 536. We are holding it all the way to first price target 631, second price target 826. 826 most likely we will dump our position. Before till then we will hold. So 826 we are looking at upside. So another $3 right here. Okay, and no comments, nothing. All right, that's good. So let me see if any stock I can add. Okay, SMCI, we had two different price targets. First price target was 47.98. Second price target was 50.82. Both price target have been hit. And then we have the box on the upside. This is what we are looking at. We are looking for this demand to repeat this one. So we are looking for a breakout right here. All trade will be out around 55 area. Okay, so 2 price target has been hit, 50.82. If you look at how precise this was hit right here in this area. So 51.77, our price target was 50.82. We have hit the price target. We consider it's done. So 55.92 area right in this area will be out of all trade, and we will not trade SMCI unless there's a sharp decline from 55 to 60 area. It will drop in this area. Okay. Stock like SoFi, QuantumScape, right now, we do not buy these kind of stock. It's already done. SoFi, we bought it at 647. We don't buy at $22. It's a simple game as that. QuantumScape, we bought it at 457. We don't buy at $10. We are out. There's no revenue. There is no product. It will pull back again. All right. That's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. And I'll see the Discord member in the Discord with more precise detail. We'll be scalping on Tesla and continue trading short put on Tempest and HIMS. And those who do not have HIMS and Tempest position, continue adding triple short strangle both sides. Thanks. Bye.